I'll show you how to make a quick meat and potatoes lunch in the air fryer. Cut 700 grams of meat into smaller pieces. If you want to watch the video and listen to my original voice, select Serbian audio in the audio settings. I will cut up 5 large potatoes. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will season the potatoes. I'll add a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste, and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I bake potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I will season the meat. I'll add half a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste. I will add dry organic seasoning. How I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. Red sweet ground peppers and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I add meat to the potatoes. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'll stir. I return the meat and potatoes to the air fryer. I bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The meat and potatoes prepared in this way is extremely tasty and quick to prepare. It is easy to prepare. And look how it looks. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends. I will add 1 egg to 600 grams of minced meat. I add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 40 grams of Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, pepper to taste, a teaspoon of red sweet ground pepper, dry organic spice. And how I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. I will chop a bunch of fresh parsley. And combine the mixture. I need baking paper. I will arrange the meat on the paper. I will spread cheese leaves on the stretched meat. I add ham leaves. I'll wrap the meat in a roll. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I put the prepared roll in the freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours in the freezer, the meat will be easier to cut. I cut the roll and now I need a hot air fryer. I put the roll in the fryer. I bake at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. The minced meat roll prepared in this way is extremely juicy and tasty. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends. I will wash 9 larger mushrooms. I will widen the opening on the mushrooms. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will chop an onion. I will chop 1 clove of garlic. I will pour olive oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I will fry the onion and garlic in the heated olive oil. I add the rest of the mushrooms. I will fry until the onion is soft. I'll put the onions in a bowl. I'll wait for the onions to cool. I will add chopped parsley to the onion. Add salt to taste. Pepper. I add 100 grams of cream cheese. I will combine the mixture. Now I will stuff the mushrooms. I will finally grate 100 grams of hard cheese. Now I need bacon bits. I wrap the mushrooms in bacon leaves. I fry mushrooms in a hot air fryer. I bake the mushrooms at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.